Three-dimensional art is about creating amazing things in a digital world. It's a fascinating blend of creativity and technology, where artists use software to bring their imaginations to life. Imagine sculpting with digital clay, painting on virtual canvases, and manipulating shapes and textures with just a few clicks, and building entire worlds inside your computer. These virtual worlds can be as detailed and immersive as the real one, offering endless possibilities for exploration and storytelling. That's the magic of three-dimensional art. It's a realm where the only limit is your imagination. It's everywhere around us, bringing life to our favorite video games, movies, and even the buildings we see every day. The characters we love, the fantastical worlds we explore, all come to life through 3D art. And even the buildings we see every day. Architects use 3D modeling to visualize their designs, ensuring every detail is perfect before construction begins. From the epic battles in blockbuster films, where every explosion and movement is meticulously crafted, to the intricate details in architectural designs, where every beam and window is planned out in a virtual space, three-dimensional art plays a crucial role in shaping our visual experiences. It's the backbone of modern visual storytelling and design. It allows us to create realistic characters, breathtaking environments, and even entire universes that feel alive and tangible, and even visualize complex data in stunning detail. Scientists and researchers use 3D models to understand and present their findings in a more intuitive way. But three-dimensional art is not just for entertainment and design. It's a versatile tool that has applications in numerous fields. It's a powerful tool used in various industries like medicine, engineering, and manufacturing. In medicine, 3D models help doctors understand complex anatomy and plan surgeries with greater precision. Doctors can use three-dimensional models to plan surgeries, reducing risks and improving outcomes for patients. Engineers can test product designs virtually, allowing them to identify and fix issues before physical prototypes are made. And manufacturers can create prototypes with incredible precision. This not only saves time and resources, but also leads to better, more innovative products. Ready to dive into the exciting world of three-dimensional art? Whether you're a hobbyist or aiming for a professional career, the right software can make all the difference. Your journey begins with choosing the right three-dimensional modeling software. This decision will shape your workflow and creative process. Think of it as your digital workshop, equipped with all the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. From sculpting to texturing, the right software will be your creative playground. For beginners, Blender is an excellent starting point. It's versatile and offers a wide range of features that can grow with your skills. It's free, powerful, and has a supportive community, always ready to help. You can find countless tutorials and forums to guide you through any challenges. Other popular options include Maya, known for its industry-standard features, making it a favorite among professionals in film and animation. And 3ds Max, widely used in game development and animation. Its robust toolset is perfect for creating detailed models and complex animations. Each software has its strengths and learning curve. It's important to consider what you want to achieve and choose accordingly. Don't feel overwhelmed by the choices. Take your time to explore and understand what each software offers. Start with one, explore its features, and gradually expand your skills. Many artists find that mastering one software first makes it easier to learn others later. Remember, the key is to find the software that best suits your learning style and creative goals. With dedication and practice, you'll be creating stunning 3D art in no time. Learning three-dimensional art is like learning a new language. It requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to explore new concepts and tools. You start with the basics and gradually build your vocabulary and grammar. Just like any language, the more you practice, the more fluent you become. In the world of three-dimensional modeling, the essential techniques include modeling, texturing, lighting, and rendering. Each of these techniques plays a crucial role in bringing your digital creations to life. Modeling is like sculpting in a digital space. You start with a basic shape and refine it, adding details and complexity as you go. You create the shape and form of your objects by manipulating vertices, edges, and faces. This process allows you to mold your digital clay into any form you can imagine. Texturing is adding colors, materials, and details to your models, making them look realistic. It's like painting on a three-dimensional canvas, where every stroke adds depth and character. Lighting sets the mood and atmosphere of your scene. The way you light your model can dramatically change its appearance and the emotions it conveys. Rendering is the final step where your digital creation is transformed into a beautiful image or animation. This process brings together all your hard work, turning your vision into reality. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first. Every artist starts as a beginner, and it's normal to feel challenged by new techniques and tools. Start with simple exercises like creating basic shapes, adding colors, and experimenting with different lighting setups. These foundational skills will build your confidence and prepare you for more complex projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every small step you take brings you closer to mastering the art of three-dimensional modeling. Keep experimenting, learning, and pushing your boundaries. With time and effort, you'll see your skills grow and your creations come to life in ways you never imagined. Section 4. Level up your skills. Online courses and tutorials. The internet is a treasure trove of learning resources for aspiring 3D artists. Online courses and tutorials offer structured learning paths, guiding you through the fundamentals and advanced techniques of 3D art. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and CG Cookie offer a wide range of courses taught by industry professionals. These courses provide in-depth knowledge, practical exercises, and valuable feedback to help you improve your skills. Don't underestimate the power of free tutorials available on YouTube and other platforms. Many talented artists share their knowledge and workflows, providing valuable insights and tips. Remember, learning should never stop. Embrace the abundance of online resources and continuously expand your 3D knowledge and skills. Section 5. Show off your creations. Building a stellar portfolio. In the competitive world of 3D art, a strong portfolio is your ticket to success. It's your visual resume, showcasing your skills and creativity to potential clients and employers. Your portfolio should be a curated collection of your best work, highlighting your versatility and technical expertise. Include a variety of projects that demonstrate your proficiency in different aspects of 3D art, such as character modeling, environment design, and animation. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and techniques. Show your passion for 3D art and your ability to bring unique ideas to life. A well-crafted portfolio is your chance to make a lasting impression and open doors to exciting opportunities. Section 6. Connecting with the 3D community. Networking for success. The 3D art world is a vibrant community of passionate individuals who love to create and share their knowledge. Networking is crucial for connecting with fellow artists, learning from their experiences, and discovering new opportunities. Attend industry events like SIGGRAPH and GDC, join online communities like Blender Artists and CG Society, and participate in forums and social media groups dedicated to 3D art. Engage in conversations, ask questions, and share your work. Networking is not just about finding jobs, it's about building relationships, seeking inspiration, and growing as an artist. Section 7. The future is 3D. Staying ahead of the curve. The world of 3D art is constantly evolving, with new technologies and trends emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, it's essential to embrace continuous learning and adaptation. Keep up with the latest software updates, explore new tools and plugins, and experiment with emerging technologies like virtual reality and augmented reality. These technologies are pushing the boundaries of 3D art, creating exciting new possibilities for artists to explore. Embrace the ever-changing landscape of 3D art. Never stop learning, experimenting, and pushing your creative boundaries. The future of 3D art is full of endless possibilities, and your journey starts today.